I'm Travis Nolan. I'm from Dallas, Texas. I'm a rising junior, and I'm going to be majoring in earth sciences with a specialization in geology and minoring in biology and applied physiology. Paleontology, I would have been about 3 years old, and my dad went to a garage sale and got a dinosaur puppet, and apparently that was enough. I guess I thought it was pretty cool because I'm still pretty interested in dinosaurs. I got involved with the Dallas Paleontological Society when I was probably 8 or 9, but through DPS we had plenty of things that we've got a Xiphactinus to uncover in some creek in Garland, or we're working on some project here, and a lot of them went to SMU. So just 13, 14, 15 years old, I was helping transport fossils to this lab. And so it was always something that was kind of in my head. And so that it just provided a real natural thing for me to branch off of and look into. And then for origami, I was probably 6 or 7, and I learned how to fold, probably from my dad too, how to fold maybe a paper airplane and a simple goose. It didn't really hook me until I saw pictures of like some complex origami. And there's origami dinosaurs and dragons and all of this stuff that I was already kind of interested in, and that blew my mind because I had no idea that you could make a dragon with claws and teeth and horns just from folding paper. There, it was just really natural for me to kind of combine the two and try and fold dinosaurs. So, because folding origami is one thing, it's kind of fun, you can do it, but when I really went down the origami wormhole was when I learned how to design origami.